everyone, welcome to Soap Trend. We hope that everybody is doing well. We have some exciting news to share with you all in today's video. In this episode, we are going to talk about one of our favorite TV series, When Calls the Heart. Fans are convinced that Lori Loughlin is returning as Abigail Stanton next season on When Calls the Heart. Do watch this video till the end to know everything. Hearties aren't giving up on Abigail Stanton just yet. Just take a closer look at Erin Krakow's Instagram post and see for yourself. 2 seasons back, Hope Valley's mayor fled town to care for her ailing mother in the wake of actress Lori Loughlin's involvement in the college admissions scandal. Even in her absence, Abigail has been ever present in the show. Bill is now in charge of Abigail's cafe, but everything she built still remains on the show. We can understand that there have been some moments throughout the last few years when fans have wondered if Abigail would ever make a return on When Calls the Heart. And now, they're looking after Erin Krakow's latest Instagram post for answers. In the early days of filming When Calls the Heart Season 9, Erin Krakow posted a photo of Abigail's cafe and Abigail's late husband's painting front and center. The caption of her post is still up for interpretation, but it's safe to say that the fans are convinced that this post is intentional from her. Perhaps Abigail is back to baking pies in her cafe. Who knows? One of the fans certainly thinks so and wrote, "Please let Abigail be back making pies in Hope Valley in season 9. Another fan called back to a pivotal scene between Abigail and Jack in the first season. "This is the picture Abigail's husband painted. Am I right? Jack was looking at it in season 1. Maybe a clue? Is our beloved Abigail back at the cafe?" Erin returned to Instagram a few days later to post a birthday tribute to her dear friend and co-star, Lori Loughlin. Unlike previous years, Erin referenced Lori's character on When Calls the Heart, saying that she has a heart twice the size of Abigail's. Some of the When Calls the Heart cast, including Andrea Brooks, Pascal Hutton, and Martin Cummins, also responded with heartfelt messages of their own. But really, the fans were the ones who were talking. Most of their wish is to bring her back home to Hope Valley for When Calls the Heart Season 9. Lori's return has always been top of their mind for the cast and crew ahead of Season 8 finale. Erin said in an interview that she thinks Lori would be welcomed back on the show with open arms. "I love Lori and would be so happy to see her back in Hope Valley sooner than later. She's obviously always in my heart, so that would bring me a lot of joy." Previously, the show's creator Brian Bird also revealed that he believes Hope Valley is a place of second chances, and that should apply to Lori as well. Some of the fans have asked what will happen to Abigail's character and shared their opinion that Hope Valley should be an example of forgiveness and grace. "As Lori's friend, I couldn't agree more," he said in an interview. So, does Lori Loughlin want to return to acting? Lori Loughlin hasn't made any official statements about her desire to return to acting or to Hope Valley. She was absent entirely from season 7 of When Calls the Heart and season 8 as well. But she may be getting the ball rolling on her return at some point. On February 10, 2021, she petitioned the court for the return of her passport, something she would definitely need if she planned to do any Hallmark shows, as most are filmed in Canada. Her motion was approved. The federal government had been holding Loughlin's passport since March 27, 2021. If Lori Loughlin returns to the show, this would mean the Henry Gale ship may sail again. Henry Cavan, played by Martin Cummins, the often misunderstood and go-to reprobate on the show, has a soft spot for Abigail, and she seemed to be the only person he listened to and was willing to change for. It appeared a possible romance was finally burgeoning between the two when Abigail left to care for her ill mother. So the fans will love to see one day all the scenes between Henry and Abigail that were cut from season 6. So this much for today's video. We hope you liked it. We will deliver more news of When Goes the Heart as it comes in. We will have all the burning When Goes the Heart spoilers, updates and news you're looking for. So visit us regularly. Thank you for checking this video out. We will see each other very soon with another video. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for new videos every day. If you have anything to say, do let us know in the comment section below. We'll make sure to reply to your comments.